Okay, welcome to another training. So let's talk about welcome to Crypto Daily, where we talk about cryptocurrency, the user case, what it's used for, how to trade, and all in between. So today we'll be talking about futures, futures, futures. So when you hear people making money in cryptocurrencies, whether it's going up or it's going down, where they actually do that is called futures. Now I'm going to be using Binance application for my explanation this morning. So we'll be talking about future trading. So let's go to the market. Now in our market we have the spot trading and the futures trading. We'll talk about spot trading later. So today we are talking about futures trading. So what is futures trading? Futures trading, as the word implies, futures, that's the future. So futures trading simply means predicting the future price of a particular crypto asset. Predicting the future price of a particular crypto asset. When I mean predicting the future price, that means when you predict the future price of a particular crypto asset, whether going up or going down, when you are able to predict the particular price in the future, you make money. So let's look for a good example. Now we are going to use Bitcoin. Now you can actually use any one of these coins listed under the futures here. You can use any coin under features here. That means any coin whatsoever. When you click on features, this is also almost the same thing in other trading applications too. So you can use any of the coin under features here. So we are going to use Bitcoin, that is the Jagaban of the whole community. So now this is BTC. So this app is just for trading purposes only. So, and it's just for information. If you lose money or you make money, it goes into your pocket. So anything you learn here is just for information purposes. Learn how to trade and all that. Anyway, so now Bitcoin right now, the price is $19,743. Now in futures trading, you just need to predict the future price of this crypto asset, regardless of how many minutes or how many hours you want to use. So you can use the 1 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame, or the 1 day to determine where the price is going. Now there is a way you can easily determine this price of the future price of cryptocurrency using technical analysis. You are going to treat that in the future in the future video. So let's predict the price of Bitcoin. So let's say we want to predict the price of Bitcoin in the next 30 minutes or 1 hour. So just okay, if we feel this price is going to go up in the next 1 hour, in the next 2 hours, in the next 30 minutes, or in the next 15 minutes, but it doesn't matter the time you want to trade. So if you predict that the price is going to go to $20,000, that's from $19,735 to $20. That means you are predicting the price is going to go up. So what you are going to do is just you are going to press buy, right? Then you impute, okay, the price is 19,733. Then you predict the price is going to go to $20,000. You take profit, that you put it the price at $20,000. That you predict that price is going to go there. So you put your take profit there. Now the probability might go against you. You can put your stop loss. If it goes against you, that means you put a lower price there. That's 19,000. Let's say 500. That means if it goes down to 19,500, you will be losing money. If it goes to 20,000, you will make money. So you press on buy. I'm not going to press it because I know the price is not actually going up right now, so I don't want to lose money This is just for training purposes. So when you press buy, then you put the amount you want to stake. Let's say you want to stake $3. You press long. Now if you press long like I've explained, if it gets to $2,000, $20,000, you make money. But if it goes down to $19,500, you lose money. That's predicting that the price is going. Now if you predict that the price if you predict that the price is going to come down, you predict the price is going to come down. Now probably is in 19,700. You predict that the price is going to come down to 19,500, then you press sell. You get the gist, right? If you predict the price is going up, you press buy. If you predict that the price is going down, you press sell. You put the same plan. Now because you are selling you are predicting is going down, you put your take profit in the lower part. That's 19,500, right? That you are predicting the price is going down, and you can put your stop loss in, let's say, 20,000. You are predicting the price is going down. So this way you make money. That's why people tell you whether price is going down, whether in a bear market or in a bull market, they are making money. The way they're doing it is in futures trading. So a disclaimer: in futures trading, you can lose all your money and you can make shitload of money. So if you trade at your own risk, do your own research, learn the proper trading techniques. There are ways you can successfully predict. Even people that know how to predict the future of crypto, they still lose money. So you need to learn properly from teachers or mentors that will help you navigate this successfully. My name is John Omole. You may share. Have a lovely day.